Hi everyone, I'm Andrew Tykhonov and I'm a senior at Marquette University. I'm a domestic financial analyst at Applied Investment Management Program. Today I'm going to be presenting CURO and their ticker is CURO. CURO Group Holdings Corp. is a diversified technology-enabled consumer finance company, which offers short-term lending products to underbanked consumers. They're headquartered in Wichita, Kansas, and founded in 1997. CURO operates primarily into two segments within the US and Canada. On the right, you can see some stock information as well as a 12-month price chart. Now the recommendation. It is recommended that the AIM Small Cap Fund purchases shares in CURO Group Holdings Corp. at $15.57 with a price target of $22.64, representing a 45.42% potential upside. Since its IPO in December 2017, the company has been expanding its business with investments into Catapult, the recent acquisition of Flexity Financial Inc. Flexity is an emerging Canadian sales financing company offering point-of-sales and buy now, pay later products. In 2020, the firm was named the sixth fastest growing Canadian company by the Globe and Mail and ranked sixth in the Deloitte Technology Fast 50 program. Since the acquisition, Flexity has contributed $7 million of revenue in Q2 2020 and is expected to grow exponentially due to their addition of new merchant partners. In July, CURO announced the closure of 49 underperforming U.S. stores that were heavily impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. These consolidations reduced annual operating costs by approximately $20 million. With senior notes refinancing, CURO has improved their capital structure, extending the debt maturity to 2028 from 2025, lowering the coupon by 75 basis points, and providing more flexibility to support the Flexity's asset growth. And now the first driver. In March, CURO completed the acquisition of Flexity Financial, which is one of Canada's fastest growing companies due to its market-leading omnichannel fintech platform. The transaction included $86 million of cash at closing and a contingent consideration of up to $36 million, depending on the risk-adjusted revenue over the next 2 years. The acquisition will increase CURO's long-term growth and provide a new customer base with an addition of a private label credit card platform and POS financing capabilities. In June 2021, Flexity signed an exclusive 10-year partnership with LFL Group to provide POS installment loans. With this partnership, management expected to add $800 million in annual origination volume. Flexity is expected to contribute $50 million in revenue in 2021 and around $315 million in 2023, resulting in a projected revenue CAGR of 14.25% through 2025. CURO announced the completion of the business combination of Catapult Holding and Finzer Acquisition Corp., a publicly traded company, in June 2021. Since 2017, CURO has made a total cash investment in Catapult of $27.5 million. With the merger of two companies, CURO received a $146.9 million while maintaining an ownership stake of 20.7% of a new publicly traded company. The company has been focusing on giving back to its shareholders, recently doubling its dividend payments to 11 cents per share, yielding 2.8%, as well as an authorization for a $50 million share repurchase program. With additional cash provided by Catapult deal, management hinted a potential increase in dividends or continuation of the repurchase program. Of the global POS software market expected to grow at a CAGR of 9.5% through 2028, CURO will continue to benefit from its ownership of Catapult. The Omnichannel Platform differentiates CURO from its competitors with fully integrated in-person stores, online, mobile, and contact center platforms. This platform, CURO, has been a strong performance within its Canada direct lending loan portfolio, which grew at 40.7% in Q2 year over year and resulted in revenue growing 36.9% year over year. In the US and Canada, the addressable non-prime market is estimated at over 150 million consumers, which CURO can capitalize on with their omnichannel platform and get increased market share. With potential growth in Canada, revenue in that segment is expected to grow at $350 million in 2023, up from $209 million in 2020. To reach an intrinsic value for CURO, a 5-year excess equity model was created, using a terminal growth rate of 1.75% and a cost of equity of 8.15%. An intrinsic value of $31.11 was reached. A sensitivity analysis of the terminal growth rate and cost of equity of plus or minus 50 basis points ranged from $24.05 to $44.51. Additionally, a last 12-month PE multiple valuation was calculated using a last 12 months EPS of $1.80 and utilizing blended average PE multiple of 13.83, resulting in a relative value of $24.89. Finally, a PB multiple valuation was calculated using a book value per share of 3.19 and utilizing a blended average PB multiple of 3.16, resulting in a relative value of $10.07. But weighting these models 50, 25, 25%, a price target of $24.29 was reached, representing a 56.3% upside. CURO pays a dividend currently yielding 2.8%. The first risk for CURO is debt. CURO indebtedness could materially impact their business. The ability to meet debt obligations depends on future performance, which could result in difficulty satisfying financial obligations or using the company's cash flows from operations. Second risk is capital markets dependence. Disruption in the capital markets may cause banks to restrict the availability of new credit, which CURO uses to finance growth. And third is regulations. New laws and regulations relating to loan products could adversely impact current product offerings, causing losses in revenues and clients. Now their management. Donald Gayhart has served as president and CEO of CURO since early 2012. Prior to his appointment, Mr. Gayhart was a president at Dollar Financial Group for 18 years, where he expanded operations to the UK and Canada, increasing the company's global reach. Roger Dean was appointed CFO in May of 2016. Before his appointment, he served as a CFO at Axis Financial and a senior VP controller at Fifth Third Bank. And Bill Baker is the president and chief operating officer. Because of CURO's unique omnichannel platform, growth through acquisition and investments, improved capital structure, enhanced profit margins, and projected growth in POS software market, it is recommended that CURO be added to the AIM Small Cap Fund. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, you can reach me by my email listed below, and I'll be happy to answer your questions for the DTL discussion post as well as live Q&A. Thank you.